refrigerator never takes a day off. It runs 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. But are you making it work harder than it needs to? Today we're busting some common refrigerator myths and sharing a few simple habits that we can help save energy and help you extend the life of your appliance. Many people think colder is always better, but if your refrigerator is set colder than necessary, it may be using more energy without providing much benefit, while also using your compressor to cycle more often, causing it to run harder. The recommended refrigerator temperature is about 37 degrees, and your freezer should be around 0 degrees. If your lettuce is freezing or your drinks have ice crystals, your fridge may be working overtime. Here's one that surprises people. An empty refrigerator actually has to work harder to maintain temperature. Cold food helps hold temperature when the doors open, acting like batteries that store cold air. Your refrigerator likes to be full, but not packed. Think of it like a crowded elevator. A few people, no problem. Too many people, nobody can move. The goal is to fill every inch of the space. You want enough cold food to hold the temperature, while still leaving room for air to circulate. If your fridge is mostly empty, a few pitchers of water can help stabilize temperatures. That old refrigerator that you moved to the garage, or that extra freezer that you placed out there for hunting season, or stocking up, may be working harder than you think. Most refrigerators are designed to operate inside your home, not in a hot Georgia garage. When temperatures rise, the appliance has to work harder to stay cold. If you need the extra storage and you're shopping for a garage refrigerator or freezer, look for a model labeled Garage Ready. It's designed to handle temperature swings and keeps running efficiently year-round. And as we've said, keep these outside units relatively full to help stabilize temperatures. Do you really need your freezer set to the coldest setting possible? No. Around 0 degrees is the target. Anything else is overkill. 3 quick facts. Keep it reasonably full. Don't leave the door hanging open. If you're buying a dedicated freezer, a chest freezer is often more efficient because cold air stays inside when you open it. None of these tips are going to cut your electric bill in half, but together they can help your refrigerator run more efficiently and avoid making it work harder than necessary. When an appliance runs efficiently, that's good for your energy use and potentially good for the appliance itself. For more simple energy saving tips, be sure to like and subscribe on Watts Matter.